Fixflo Manager is built for property management teams who want to grab their data by the horns and gain the insights that will take their business to the next level. Fixflo Manager allows you to create bespoke dashboards and custom panels to track exactly the data that you want to see. From tracking your agents' open jobs, to visualizing your contractor's performance, or bringing your planned maintenance to life with saved searches and dashboard overviews. Track the data that matters the most to you. Give your property managers an individualized view of their KPIs and portfolio so that they only see the work that's relevant to them. Then set, manage, and track their SLAs so they're always on target. Showcase your metrics to new clients to win their business and grow your portfolio. Refurbishing a house with multiple tasks by different contractors? Sorting everything that needs to be done before a new occupier moves in? Fixflo Manager gives you the option to organise your works even better by grouping related tasks together as projects. Get complete visibility on all of these jobs at a glance so that you can see what's being completed and what's still outstanding. The best of the best use Fixflo Manager. Book your free demo today.